Good morning, students. Today we discuss practice test 3.1 in AP. First example. Now we have given here example first 2, 4, 6, 8. It is a sequence. We have to identify which of the following sequence are AP. If they are AP, find the common difference. Now here in the sequence 2, 4, 6, 8, we have given that T, that is these terms are given. So first write down the terms. Here T1 is equal to 2, then T2 is equal to 4, T3 is equal to 6, T4 is equal to 8, and so on. Okay, now first find out difference between two terms. Here T2 minus T1. First find out T2 minus T1. T2 minus T1, that is equal to T2 is 4, T1 is 2. 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2, that is equal to 2. Now T3 minus T2. T3 minus T2. T3 minus T2 is equal to 6. Here 6. 6 minus 4. Also 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Now again find out next term T4 minus T3. Again we write here T4 minus T3. T4 minus T3 is equal to 8. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Now here observe that the common difference or difference between two consecutive numbers in sequence is constant. Here 2, 2, 2. Difference is constant, and this is called as difference, and difference is constant. Here D, which is constant, that is D is equal to 2, and which is constant, which is constant, therefore it is an AP. This sequence is in AP, therefore it is an AP. And what is the value of D? The value of D is 2. Here the value of D is 2 and D is constant. Okay, so D is equal to 2, it is constant, and therefore it is in AP. Do you understand this? Now again consider seventh number. This is seventh number example. Okay, the sequence is here 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2. Now again write here in this sequence. First write down the terms in the sequence. In the sequence is our 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, and so on. Now here write down first T1. Okay, T1 is equal to 3. T2 is equal to 3 plus root 2. Now T3 is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2. So first find out their difference. Okay, T2 minus T1. T2 minus T1. Put the value T2. T2 is 3 plus root 2 minus T1, that is 3. Here by solving it we get root 2. Again if we solve next two terms, that is T3 minus T2. The value of T3 is 3 plus 2 under root 2 minus the value of T2 is 3 plus root 2. Now again here plus 3. First we take it bracket for our best convenience, our signs, that is 3 plus 2 root 2. Here plus minus minus, plus minus minus, sign will be changes. 3 get cancelled. 2 root 2 minus root 2. It means we write here 2 in bracket root 2 in bracket 2 minus 1. It means only root 2. Now here D. If we observe here, D is constant. Here D. Okay. This is D and D is constant. Here the value of D. The value of D is constant. Value of D is constant. So we here write down the value of D. Value of D is root 2. So write here D is equal to root 2. D is equal to root 2. It is constant, or it is constant, which is, we write here, which is constant. Therefore the sequence is in AP, or it is an AP. So you will understand this.